we're gonna do a 10-minute soft girl makeup look, and what I'm gonna do to start off my routine is I already with my face wash is we're gonna go in with the strawberry milk cream for face and neck from Bonnie Hill, and we're gonna go ahead and apply that to the face. So what I do is I put it across my hands like this, and I go ahead and rub it in evenly across my entire face. You really want to make sure you prep your skin, because that's gonna hold your makeup throughout the day. All done. Next we're gonna go in with the NYX Space Glue Primer. This is one of my newer primers and I really love it. I feel like they did such a great job with this, and it really works on keeping your makeup on your face all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my hands, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. A little does go a long way with this primer, so as you can see. And I'm gonna go ahead and spread this across my face. And you wanna make sure you put it across your face evenly. It's all done, and the next step, I like to do my eyebrows first. So with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in with my pomade, and today's light makeup look, so I'm gonna go in with my pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I also, the pomade is in the shade Chocolate, and for my brush, I use my brush from Real Techniques, which I do not have a number for because I bought this brush like at one of the holiday events. So when I start for the eyebrows, I just brush them up. I opened up my pomade, I dip my slanted brush in, and I just start in the middle, front, but not too close to the front. And I just fill in the natural brow. It is like a soft makeup day, so I don't want to do too much. Just want to fill in where I have like some blank spots. Okay. A little off-putting, but then I just brush all the product together. And for this, I do want to make sure that I just have my front part. When I do natural makeup days, I don't really like perfect the eyebrows. It's kind of just like, I don't want them to be too perfect. Next, I'm going to go with one of my flat brushes. I'm going to go in with one of my flat brushes, and I'm going to go ahead with my Juvia's Place Concealer in the number 8. And I'm just going to clean up the eyebrows before I do anything else, just to make life a little bit easier for me. I just put that across my hand. I be saying words like, girl. Okay, and I go ahead with my slanted brush, and I just clean up under the eyebrow. You do want to make sure this foundation, this concealer, is the same shade as you, just to make life easier. Girl. Cleaned, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up the top. And my eyebrows are a little bit different on both sides, so I'm just going to go ahead on this other side and just like then more. Okay, I'm going to go into my skin tint, and I know a lot of people have been using like NYX, Fenty. I'm not gonna lie, like they're a little pricey for skin tint for me right now. And I've been using ColourPop. I've been using ColourPop for, I want to say 5 years. So this is my favorite skin tint. I use Deep Dark 22N from ColourPop. It's only $15. So if you've been looking for a skin tint, this is the perfect one, and I vouch. One time I went to Ulta and I made all of my friends buy it, and they were like, oh wow, like, yeah, this is good. Like, what y'all, I know good stuff. So I just pumped that on my hand, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip my foundation brush, and I just dab it into my face. I did put a lot on my hand because I'm heavy-handed, but you don't want to put a lot on your face. Just light, okay? What I used a lot before I started using foundation, because when I started to get like makeup like a lot, I did realize that the foundation was kind of aging me, and being like a teenager, that wasn't what I was looking for in a makeup look. So skin tint was perfect for me to do what I wanted to do, get the soft makeup look, but it also didn't look too heavy, and it didn't add years onto my face. Now I'm kind of more comfortable with like older, but at the time that was not something that I was interested in at all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get my forehead. Okay, it's me with the skin tint on, and now we're gonna go into the concealer. And for the concealer, we are going to do something more hydrating because you don't want it to be too much. So what I'm gonna do for the concealer is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go on the inner corners with number 10 from Juvia's Place. And I know how I use like a triangle, but today I'm just gonna do a little dot, like a little swipe. And then on the other side, look, here's a close-up so you can see. On the other side, I'm gonna swipe it as well, okay? Then in the middle, I'm going to use number 8 from Juvia's Place, which is a hydrating concealer as well. And I'm just gonna swipe on the bottom across the whole bottom of the eye, Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my concealer, bridge of the nose. This is how it looks when I put it all over my face. So just a little bit of the highlighting concealer. Then I go ahead with the concealer for like matches my skin tone, and I put that under my eye just to like more alive. So after that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take our concealer brush. I do need to get a new concealer brush. If you guys do know any good concealer brushes, please let me know, because I feel like the one that I'm using right now isn't as dense as I want it to be, and that's kind of like the concealer looks a little bit for me. So I'm gonna start with my nose, and I'm just gonna lightly tap it in. Then I'm gonna do my forehead, same light tap motion. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do the bridge of my nose. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do under my eye. Ooh, it's coming together flawlessly. I'm gonna do the other eye. And the product that you put really matters a lot. You don't want to put too much product. And you don't want to let it sit for long, because it is just a clean girl makeup look. Perfect. This is everything fully blended in. And I'm gonna go ahead with my Made by Mitchell case. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of contour, just light contour, because once again, you don't want to do too much. So for my contour, I'm going to go in with the Chocolate Charm. As you can see, I haven't touched it because I haven't done a clean girl makeup look, but this is the perfect shade when you want to just have a little bit of contour, but you don't want to do too much. And I know people are like, how do you know it's the perfect shade if you haven't used it? I just know everything, so there's that. And I just lightly put it. Perfect. I knew. Kind of red undertone. I don't know what type of chocolate has a red undertone, but maybe I don't know everything, so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my forehead. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is the best $24 I spent ever. I'm not kidding. You guys need to get this curve case. It has everything you need and more. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now, I keep saying okay. Okay, so I'm gonna take my buffing brush and I'm gonna go, just kidding. I'm gonna take my contour brush and the number 258 from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna push it into my skin. I do have a round face, so I do want to make sure I do add a little bit of definition. Perfect. Forehead, same thing. And I'm not going to do a nose contour because that's not the purpose of today. Today is a clean girl makeup. Like, I just want to add some cheekbones. So there's that. And then we're going to go in with a cute blush. I know you guys are probably like, cute blush, clean girl makeup. It's gonna be that today. So because it is kind of cute, soft look, I'm gonna go with my volume 1 from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade up top. That's kind of like a, actually, I don't know what I want to use. Let me test the orange on my skin. I'm gonna use the orange actually. So I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna just lightly tap it. Once again, it is just a light look. So you don't want to do too much. Like, you want to like, as I'm doing too much. Sorry guys, sorry. Yeah. Hold up. Do I have this in my hair? Wait. They don't love you, I love you. Wait. They don't love you. Anyways, what am I gonna do now? Thinking. Oh my god. So because today is a light makeup look, I am gonna go in with my setting powder from Laura Mercier. This is Translucent Deep. And I'm gonna take my powder puff from I don't know where, and I'm gonna set the rest. Actually, okay, I'm back. Well, I'm not back, but for my powder, I'm gonna use Laura Mercier in Translucent Deep, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush actually, just to make sure that I just lightly tap it onto my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and tap it off the thing. I'm gonna go with the inner corners, and go ahead and set my bridge of my nose and my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and set the top of my lip, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the bottom of my face. Voila! This is my clean makeup look. And next, you guys, oh my god, why you guys didn't tell me? I got fucking makeup in my hair, bro. Like, I just did my hair today. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Rich Brown Lip Liner. My chestnut lip liner has disappeared on me, and I'm tired of buying new ones, so I'm just gonna have to stick with what I have. And I'm gonna go ahead and overline my lip, the line of my lip. And I'm not gonna lie, these brown lip liners don't be dark enough for me. Like, I'm geeked or something. I haven't seen them come up at all. Then I'm gonna go in with my Sugar High Lip Gloss from NYX. Lastly, I'm gonna top it off with my MAC lip liner. I say lip liner. I wish. I'm gonna top it off with my MAC lip gloss. Wait, they don't love you. We don't love you like I love you. Nah, they don't love you. Yeah. This is the final look. Let me know what you think. I feel like I did a really good job on this. I ate this up, but I did forget something. To set it all together, we're gonna go ahead, just to pair it off is NYX the Face Glue Setting Spray, and we're gonna go ahead and this, perfect. Wow, this is such a cute look. I love this. I feel like this is perfect for going to work when you kind of look alive, but you don't want to do too much. Like, I'm doing too much going to work because I don't care, but sometimes I do just want a soft makeup look because I do go to the gym after work sometimes. So I do really like this. I'm gonna start doing this more. I was hating at first. I was hating, but y'all might have ate with this cute little clean girl makeup look. And obviously, if you have clear skin, like, it's gonna look like you have on more makeup, like the way I look like when I had like never pigmentation. So just keep that in mind. But this is a clean girl makeup look, and here's a close-up. They don't love you like I love you. Hey guys, this is the final look. I feel like I did so good. Oh my god. Please ignore the fact that I don't have on earrings. I am a rough sleeper, so there's the answer to that. But oh my god. Oh my gosh. So cute and so soft. This is definitely going to be a lot of all day thing, but so cute. But thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you guys next week.